I'm working on 3D printing some accessories for the Model 3's wheel, and I wanted to get you guys' opinion on what you think about them. So to begin with, I have this smaller center cover. It has the original sort of Model 3 logo in the middle, and you can see it kind of has a dish in the middle, has little arms that snap into the center. So that's it. On one hand, I don't love how round it makes it look, but I don't know, I kind of like it. So second, I have very similar, it's a little smaller and it's flat in the middle. And then third, I have just a center cap. And in all three cases, these are just, rough prototypes really out of a home 3D printer. And I'd send them off to get them printed at somewhere like Shapeways, which does a much, much better job for finish and everything. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.